Hey guys, welcome to Tianna Blancoo channel. So I'm going to show you how I briefly customize my units now, my new technique, and then we are going to go into an install. Now we are using an HD closure along with two $10 bundles. Do you hear me? $10 bundles. My client was in a hurry to go and get her bob done, so she got some $10 bundles. Now, when I used to customize my wig, I would go behind this pre-plucked area and I would begin to pluck behind that line. Okay, now we changed it on up. Every day as I'm making a new wig, I just learn different techniques. So this is my new technique. I like to go behind that pre-plucked area, and I'm just gonna slowly, randomly pull out and tweeze out some hairs. And then you want to comb in between to make sure that you do not create any bald spots. So you don't want to pluck in the same area. It's the same concept, guys. It's the same concept. However, I just like the way it gives me that nice sleek hairline when I do it this way. There's like no formation. You just want to thin it out to as much as you want to go back with that pre-plucked hairline. But I just like to, I'm in between. I don't like it plucked too much and I don't like it not plucked too much. So I'm in between, okay? And it's totally up to you. Do not think of it, oh my God, I have to be here for 30 minutes to get that plucked area, to get that nice customized hairline. It all depends on that quality, the unit, the lace itself. So I'm just gonna keep tweezing it on out and combing it. But yeah, this is my new way of customizing the units. Now don't try to come for me, because y'all see that over bleached area. I left it because I want to show you guys a quick fix. And don't come for my ashy ass hands neither. It's not about the hands, it's about what these hands is creating. And that's the wig. So that little over bleached area, that is because a girl forgot I had the bleach on this unit, and yeah, it was just a mess. So I'm taking my Slick Stick by Tianna Blancoo. I'll leave the link down below. And you want to use this to create that nice sleek texture. It gives it a smooth finish. And along with this hot pressing comb, baby, you cannot go wrong. This is like peanut butter and jelly. The Slick Stick works well with heat. So if you don't have a pressing comb, I suggest that you use the back of a curling iron. You gotta improvise, whatever you don't have. Now you can't improvise on my Slick Stick. You need it. You gotta get it. Order it. Now, as you can see, the ends on this wig is like very choppy, is thinned out. So no worries, because we are cutting this wig into a nice bob. Now this is my client. This is my lazy old client slash friend. She came here with those braids. She was just in a rush, and I like my braids to be more flat and tight. However, she was going to a party, and yeah, we just said whatever. Throw this wig on top of that. As you can see, you do not see that lace at all. The lace is still on quality. So you always want to make sure your lace is like, good quality. This way you can get that nice wet lace that, you don't see my lace. You need that for a great meltdown. Now, I know you guys are going to kill me, but the camera I thought was recording as I was cutting her bob. It was not, but I'll still show you how I use my clippers to cut, to give that nice straight bob look. So as you can see, that little piece is still longer. So this is how I cut my hair. I take it just like that, and boom. I take the clippers Scissors just don't do it for me. I'm not that nice with scissors unless I'm doing layers, but to get like that nice blunt cut, I'd rather just take the easy way out, and I'll use the clippers to give that nice sharp edgy look. And as you can see, this bob have like body, honey. It has body. Like, we really was in awe when I was like, girl, these bundles, I don't know. But for $10, we was like, let's just try it out. We'll just do it for one day. However, I know she gonna keep this wig in her collection because the hair was, I'm telling you, the hair was good. We got it. If you are in Atlanta area, I'm not sure where else they have Beauty Master, but now this is the part where I said to get rid of that brassiness, you're gonna take some hairspray and you just spray your black hairspray, whatever color to match your weave, your wig, and you use that. So it's like a temporary fix. And as you can see, that part is still nice and straight. And I'm just going to be flat ironing this wig and just mousse, using a little bit of mousse for the meltdown of the hairline. And I'm going to list all the products below that I use, but most of them was from my collection itself. So go and support black business. Go and support some black products. These products are not only used on weaves and wigs, you can also use it on your natural hair as well. But these are the results, honey. The results are in. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment below. Let me know what kind of other videos you guys want to see. And I'll see you in my next video.